Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Good evening. Please help me to share. Help me to share. Bella, I greet. Good evening. Help me to share. I greet you all. Please help me to share because I have another audio to play, so I just have to stop that one. You know, sometimes in this life, sometimes in this life, you always want to, I don't know why we Africans, we from the black race, we always want to put our burden, our problem on people. We always feel that whenever somebody is rich, they owe us. They must pay us back. And these are people that you don't even know how they survive, how they succeed in becoming whatever they became. I greet you all. Help me to share, my people. Help me share. Because this video, it be like say it go long today. Because you get one video when I see when Eddie Murphy do. That thing, it can't do somehow for my ear. I don't know why people then go leave a farm. Then go leave road. They will go they cry inside bush. Because that video, I just see it for social media. I can't see say, no, this thing is not good. But sometimes it good make we dey change our brain, our mindset. It good make we dey change our brain. Because Agbengo give Fan Arena, everybody is fighting for their own. Their own. Especially if you don't have, if you have a child, you don't get pikin. You are always going to fight and protect your own children. You are always going to live for your children. Pikis, I greet my dear sister. Good evening. Once you have a child, your own priority now is how you are going to feed your own child. How you are going to leave something behind for your own children. That is what you will be thinking. You will be fighting for. You will be strongly for. I believe a lot of us, once you don't become papa, you don't become mama, you don't become a brother, sister, uncle, name it all. Your major fight now how you want to do something down for your pikin. We always say, this way I take suffer, it not good make my own pikin suffer. Which everybody, we are all trying to fight for that way. But when somebody now struggle hard, and they become whatever they become, my dear sister, it good may we talk about her. It good oh. Because now lesson for everybody. Now lesson. Because waiting, sometimes you get waiting, you go see, you just overlook him. Another person go see him. He go see, think and say, this thing, it don't make sense. It don't make sense. But we must say it the way it is. We must say it the way it is. Because we need to compare now who their office, who their position to help. And who be your own person, somebody where be say, he don't go strong, go suffer for your own money. He don't go strong, go suffer for your own money. Then you now come they say, he not help you. He not give you. He not do for you. He not do this. He not do that. You live where you supposed to cry. You go they cry for another person's neck. Is that not foolishness? It is foolishness. For this life, everybody want to become somebody. Everybody want to plan their future well. But if you as a man, as a woman, you not gonna plan your future well, You no go plan your future well as a human being. Then you don't have rights to blame anybody for your own mistake. If you don't go plan your own life well, you not plan your situation well, and you know say you not get anything to leave behind for your own children, then you now you can't use and they blame another person where you sit down on your own. It means you are kind of, you don't, may I not use curse here. You don't know what you are doing. You still don't get it. It means you are a boy who became a father. It means you are a boy who became a father. Whereas your marriage be. Don't use your own to rob somebody else. Because this life, we all have to run our own race. We all have to run our own race. You see some people, they will give them food. Sadolo agreed. Good evening. They will give them food, or they will give you money. Choose your own. Just like the prodigal son, who ate all his wealth and is now crying back for another one. You ate all you have and you are not crying back, but you could not utilize it. You could not use 1 naira to turn to 2 naira, and you are not crying that people should now give you, that people should now help you. How is that possible? The same head where you carry come, you as A. Now that same head, me as B, we carry come. But we all they also in a different way. If it be said today now you get 100 naira, me I get that same 100 naira. I use 20 naira to eat. But meanwhile, you finish that your 100 naira, everything you finish all for that day. Then tomorrow now, if that's my 80 naira now, can't give me 300 naira. And you see the struggle, they look for that 100 naira. Whereby me don't get 300 naira. Then you go come they blame me for your own mistake. It is not done. You can never blame me for your own mistake, your own problem you created on your own self, by yourself. Then you now go come want whereby me I don't dey on top. I don't dey, you now they struggle they come. But because me, I use my own wise. Then when me go come get to the top, you now go come they cry say, I must come help you. I must come help you. I must come help you. If I not come help you, I'll be bad person. That is the mentality of we Africa, my brothers and sisters. We have to say the truth here. It is the mentality of we as an Africa that if somebody climb up for our family, or he climb up for our area, or he climb up for our street, it means that automatically that person must help us. He must help everywhere. He must help everybody. And if you don't help everybody, it means that that person is evil man. It means that that person either destroy the place. It means that that person either. Meanwhile, you have that same opportunity. Even the same opportunity where maybe you get, B not get am. Then you now come they say, he must help you. How is that possible, my people? This audio, now this thing make me want to talk to Eddie Murphy this evening. Because I be not want to talk to him, but I won't talk to him. And I want advice him. I want advice him. I don't want to talk to him, but I want advice him. He should change his way. Make una listen. I beg, hold on, my people.
This is my first time in Yami of Mauritania.
Agbe, good evening.
It really shows because
Una de here. Baba Yowana, good evening. John, good evening. Owe may so rest in peace. Owe ave baba kapeosa. Eni okbedo ni o manok body ogie. Wa adame ho. Owe ni okbedo e manok body ogie. Wa adame ho. Because what damn it, Anna? If you do what damn it, okay. Good evening, Kingsley Omo. Holy Ghost agrees. Good evening. Una they hear people like this, where they bring audio, but if forget say, in your father, that man where he send, whether na audio he send, can't give Eddie Murphy. But if forget say, in your papa na that do it for grow. But erana your boy VB. In your papa no fit utilize the way back after us at utilize. The way in your papa no fit balance in life. The way back after us take balance in own life at the age of 21. Then you now come they say na it be problem. Meanwhile, the man is not in government. He never rule as a local government chairman. He never rule as a councillor. He still also in his own way. Just like me and you. Just like me and you, they also. Evani went out to okay. Una de here. Somebody that was sick for a very long time. Cancer not be waiting person they take they play. Sometimes you might have 3 years. Sometimes you might have 10 years. Sometimes you might beat that sickness. And sometimes the cancer will come back again. Not be waiting, be say, now this thing I can kill him. Bonedo, okay, no. Ovie do and ovie guano. Ovie guano. Evanie borina se. But ovie vanie no. When Kateosa was hustling his hustle when he was alive, this person where he talk this thing, his own father, they drink beer, pepper soup for beer parlor. Is it not the same problem that he and this Eddie Murphy, they are creating now? Ayobo boy VP. You don't want to work, but you want to blame somebody else for your own problem. You no want work. What damn yo?
Una ya video ni mekau. When you go pan me ala can we capture you sir. May you so rest in peace. A yeta. But you may eat go na one ah. Capture you sir wa giliwa be say or you or agmo or taking us out you. You cannot really gaji. Da karo salu kwadu oje oma. Da kare so beji obima. I mean one over. But when I get the back here, okay, can I governor? When you mean governor, no man will look.
O Damiana, or when you know making commot mat, near you know ye governor. E cannot who are Mazuhuba. E can't also can't out where I beg my people, una way they this abroad. Una don't see where big gate for go tie road for America there. Any road there where big gate tie, use your money to tie. If it they make una show us. The road where big gate using your money to tie. I think big gate now not be even in all day among the make una show us as big gate get money rich. Make una show us the tie road where big gate tie for that America. They will say this road now big gate tie am. This street now big gate tie am. A lot of people they sleep for that America where big gate day. Now they get the highest, at least America have the highest billionaires. America have the highest billionaires. But there are a lot of people still sleeping on the streets in America. America have the highest billionaires, but there are a lot of people still sleeping on the streets. He say making comment mouth from governor body. Ekenu we ana zugu we ma zugu ba. We do ya zugu we gbe kafte o sagoma u yedo. The thing, if hear me for our black mentality, we are so dull, the truth. We are so dull. That's why all these governments, then they take us for granted. That's why then they neglect us. Because where we supposed to talk, we know they talk to them. There is nowhere for this world where individual go say, in one go carry government load. In no day. There is no place for this world.
No, may God bless you. Excellency, Governor Nova say Obaseki to Amato Ato.
One. He governor. A governor no hake no ukbone.
Bini atoni a weji wese mi ya fe Saloba Mako Sauni Osamakwe. You can see where yes, I
Abemona help me share like.
I didn't want to get ugbe tomatoes your back. After you saw that me, down your ugbe tomatoes I check on because I check on no. But yeah, you tama no making I where they not let do it. With a bit of me, so why is Jeff but I get do some. With a bit of me,
has there ever been, according to waiting me don't hear? Savage, good evening, I greet. Waiting me don't hear from people mouth. The way they say that matter help, even that urban market where he born so where governor never do. They say na he first do one. Waiting me don't hear where they say he do a lot of things for adult people because Ogboma yesi imagine. We can never say if somebody help us, you know they ever hear for our mouth. If they cause that person there, you go keep quiet. But me, when that person don't help you, but because you know one leak where your sources for they come, where you for the eat they come, you no go ever talk say now this man help me. The only true person from that Edo kingdom, Edo state. When I don't hear when they always they say a paka teosa, a paka was Comrade Tony Kabaka. Oviere wa tese no uniye. We never hear from any other Edo people mouth. Error. But after he don't die, the man agreed. After the man don't die. After he don't die, you can't see all of them. And they see even those way he sort them. I can't they see say they say na so one say and I saw he apply 25 this thing when you bring come. Now so he do this one. Now so he do that one. Now so he do that one. Now I say hey. Amen. I know say not be all of us be an ungrateful person. But the way where we be as the black, we are the problem to ourselves. In the press governor, governor where is supposed to tie road, governor where is supposed to put light. Then ni aya few no gie no wuni. Igo mawe mi rokba. Ke no kpodi ogie. Ege ne paka te osana asu se ye magmore. Eru were bie palo. Ogbe tete na rabo bono oga ne different women.
Man, if your back and head. Man, you go. When we go now, you help you and you go. Area ya way. Here help you. Be me China. In the national deraji. In the China, when I reading good dogima. We are me so. Now more corner. Yeah, cook boy, we are reading good. We are near where's your husband? Where I don't get husband. That person give me this belly, it drive me come out. Oh, in €1. Come out, you say,
I said it before. America have the highest billionaires. But there are people still sleeping on the street of America. That is not a work of one person. So long you are not collecting the revenue. You are not collecting anything. Those are government jobs. At least we did this. Let's just say we did this abroad. A lot of people, they receive social. They know they work. Government, they pay them money every month. Government, they pay them money every blessed month. That's number one. Number two, then they pay their children money. They know they work. Not be Bill Gates, they give those people those money. The only people that Bill Gates, they always help are the poor countries in Africa. They always do their donation to. The only time where you go see them say, they want to help. The only time where you go see say, maybe all those billionaires for America want help. Now when they get disaster for America, like when the Katrina, all those rain, everything wipe away people's house. That is when you see them. They will start helping. But because they know that now government right to help the country. Now government work to bring the country to the way it's supposed to be. Not be their right. They are just businessmen. They are businessmen who are also hustling for their own money. Then you now as an individual, when I say government here, where do I be normal person how is that fair? How is that fair? You left the government. You are now fighting an individual, a private somebody. A private somebody who also hustle in your own way. Hustle in your own way out of his own. Say, okay, he must succeed. He don't succeed, finish. Then you can't they say, okay, that person must come do everything where government is supposed to do. Why the government, they collect the federal allocation? Why the government, they collect the federal allocation? Why they collect the internal revenue? If they not say they not go do, may they give those billionaires where they. Maybe the billionaires go feel run out for them. If the government just carry the money, make it carry on, make it give the billionaires. Say, billionaire are not feel run out. Una na business people, make una run out for me. If na so that they do it for Africa, maybe it go for see good.
Okay, Papa, where my mama drive me, follow on that man. Oh, he have a river. In Wauyo Bona, the man worry you say they be there, and he feel, and I'm here. And I tell you, no, I won't even know.
A G whether ya pokba.
One that money, a big man, affair. One that money, why so much happy with you waffle.
Okay.
So much happy, who work buffalo. Come down, wife we happy. We don't know why you what. Aware, no way, no matter what. Oh, what in here? That's all you know, that's all what. Emma, why a big man him? About Western Benedium. Kirenia, Benedium or all. You want anything to body. When the governor, they're going on, I will book the body, they know it's with your name. We are at Benedium. Benedium will send or have him money, this street, you're paying. I will pay my son. But why not go, Boliani? We walk over, oh my God, we walk with the and raw. Via my name, Ramage, Via street. We are living, I want to wake you, who came. It's a good thing, they're doing. I am an email. It's so mighty pay go back. 2,500, the mass of mighty pay.
Mona, let me share my people. Okay. I beg my people, if you don't become rich, you become rich. Not be where your fertile ground. Not being you will go they look for. Okay, as we are just say here now. If they give you now say 50,000, say you day Europe. Make you choose whether na Europe you want invest your 50,000 euro put or na Africa you want invest and put. Where you go check and balance and where go give you better money, where you go quick make money. Now so all businessmen they think. They know they put their head for one basket. If they give you money now, where you go quick make them, take change the 2 naira to 3 naira. Now there you go, they run, they go. No be where you no go quick make them. Princeton, I great.
More than 20. I show you, I can investment in me. If you carry on me, I'm a prince.
You see? I want to make buff over here.
When you will not be there, we don't need a boy.
Can you imagine?
Wow, you bore. One if in a wow, you bore. Was a village so we are not Tennessee where we are where the primary school village the look boy we more like the village but we are born in
okay,
that is the truth. We are born in Meno and I'm happy birthday. Make here going live video once in a blue moon. Away I mean. Our we are company of buying our drum. While we are our.
You do, yeah?
Our. The politics, I might go say politics. For 2 years, on a meter, 70,000 million. I might go say, oh, we are one to take betting. Be fitted by the.
Una here now. All of the yeah, we get be. He say make your brother can't do help, make he can't help. Make your own brother, make he can't help him. That is his junior brother, their last born. Never again, who no care to help him. There is no food for lazy man. There is no food for lazy man. Where man are you, boy? Where do I hear? When how will that food come? Your own brother also his way. Then go also his way. Wadamiona. Oh, wana bolona we nekere yahi. Is his brother not working? His brother is also on a hustling ground. Instead, I talk at that time when I talk to her. All this dancing when they can't dance for live video. If na him, me be him, where my brother did that position, I will for not their live video. I would have carried my own bag and I would have returned back to Benin. I will return back to Benin and I will go and be helping my own brother. Me yad sick be me your uru. I go join my own brother. Say, my brother, which position you want give me? Make I just be your cameraman. These are the things I was advising him that he should do. When my own winner, when visual okay company, where your brother want get the money, where he want to open company for you, when you not work. Where your brother want get the money, when you want to open company for you, in own business money, make it can use and help for you. Okay, I've been at the federal government money where they give and make it they do projects. Where he himself, they also try to build the own name. Now you want now making con deep, con use and open company for you. Make you now as a man, you sit down, 247, you know they work. There is no food for lazy man. There is no food for lazy man. During the time of campaign, even the Albert, Emma, but that one, they carry camera, they follow and they go. If not that one, this the muffin now, when you take sit down here now, sit down inside house now. If not that one, they go do follow his brother. Instead of another person being brother cameraman, he go for good. He supposed now by himself, he go supposed go Benin, make him go be your own brother cameraman. He sabi do live video. When Maya 10 you visual Musayo, you no go praise your brother to hire to another level. Then you want make your own brother now come carry your own hard-earned money, make it come give you for inside the co, inside AC where you dey. Me wa in there inside also. How is that possible? Sometimes it's good then if we get rich person for family. If they're not happy, make we understand. If they're not happy, because they cannot help everybody. They cannot help everybody. If you also make yourself available, say, I want work, oh, put me for this place when I want to work, oh. I believe the brother go say, okay, I go look for place, give you. If you not come give you, now that time you come, they come. But you now, you not go Benin. You say making come open company for you from abroad. Which company? Which school you go when you want to run the company? Which certificate you get for this abroad journey where you did there? Say na certificate you want to run the company. A be African shop where we not okay no eh? Instead of you sitting down indoor 247, carry your bag, go meet your brother for Benin. Go see also. Okay, you dey here. Oh, go. Well, I don't hear my people. He himself, when they talk there, in there inside as they talk, who is they also for? If you ever behind. Oh, me go also know if you ever behind. Or when no you go, they also need the ever behind. Everybody are hustling for their own children. Once you don't get picking, you must say, oh, now that parable, we all get them for head. The suffer where we suffer. Make our children not suffer. Now that one be everybody talk. Now that one even make a lot of people, everybody come this abroad. Through Morocco, through Libya, through everywhere. Because we want to make changes for ourselves. Okay, who also way now? For that Edo now. He can also way to the top. Then you now go come the verse. Say make it not come, make that person not come do for you. Meanwhile, that person they inside us on 247. If they use nose, they pack dust, they go. Where ruwe AC where boy. Winter na AC. Then you they say, make that person where they inside dust, make it come they help you where they inside AC. If you want to be help, you want help. Carry your bag, go join and make you there inside that dust with her. Make una too they use leg they waka for inside that dust. May you become a cameraman. At least about also in way too. To become a land seller now or le arieko, don't not be Lagos. Only now le arieko. You say make your brother now make it come open. Now the money where they give her make it take work for via people who we not do yaki company nowhere. Me no can know. Huh? Me no can know. At least those pictures where they snap, they put for Facebook for your brother. Now person they do one. You go feed they do and they collect the money. If really you want to work. If really you want to work. Don't expect him to come and carry the federal government money where they give and make it they do project for the whole of Ovia. Make it come use and they open company for you. It's impossible. Or make it come use and change your car. It's impossible. If you want a job, go back to Nigeria. Go and meet your junior brother. Your junior brother will help you. He will put you for one place. He go see give you job there, they pay you. Maybe by that time your salary go better pass. At least, he go no where me no where one in ya. Only the service. Me when we're in Nigeria, we are another also. Or do I double money very on a family give a susek baby. Then at that stage, you yourself, you don't still build your family. We receive in Nigeria, who receive in the Weibo. A family give a susek baby on a family give a problem baby on. But we were Omani evo kivie you bofemo where we no do key company no we no race. It's impossible, my brother. Egba, you no go fi happen.
boyo. If you can't mass, if you can't do tearbo. We all hand in and not be what to talk on without money with this school. America was being on a sick boy. Is book. America war with Kenny or Ladano tearbo in no one. In the Yama. What who were there, Denko were there. When now will you born? Now we celebrate with you. When now will you born? No,
my brother, if he help you, if your brother want do help for you, you make yourself to be available. This time around, me and all the support say, person you just dey inside house, person you just carry give you say, take a 1 million naira. Because you know work for her, you don't know how that person take also. Get the 1 million naira where he give you. You know go fit still use am. You no go fit make calculation how you want to use the money. You no go fit plan for the money. But when you work that money, when you work for that money, truly, when you work for that money, you can't get different changes. Say, okay, see what thing I want to use this money do. Since I don't already become a millionaire, I don't want to go back. I don't want to go back. Since my brother don't rescue me, I don't want to go back. You make yourself available for your brother. May you go Bini. May you go Bini. Make you Eddie Murphy go Bini, go meet your junior brother. If really you want help, go Bini, go work with her. Go work with her. Now cameraman in they use. May you go the video your brother project. May you they show her to the whole world. May then they see. It go see good like that. You go they receive your salary there. You go they receive your own salary there from your own brother. If they want help person, no be bad thing. Me no support the system where be say everybody can't dey lazy now. A lot of people dey this abroad where be say then they wait for their brother and their sister. Make those ones go use it, suffer, come from the finish. Then go they house, they drink pepper soup, they drink champagne, they wait, make their own brother come help them, rescue them out. It's not good. And meanwhile, when you go give them those money, then they carry and they go restaurants. Go take drink pepper soup. Because money when you not work put, you not go know the value. You not go know how you will take user. But if you work put, you go see no say, the road where this my brother they pass, you know easy. Now this thing make a lot of people carry their family member come Europe. Say, come see where are they suffer. May you to see them. But when some go come, they'll come say, now the one way be say they cry before say, this my brother, you know help me. This my sister, you know help me. But when they don't carry their con, they don't see say, you know easy. Now then they go advise those way they are say, make una no ask them money. The way that they take they get that money, you know easy for year too. Everybody for this abroad, they struggle for your own money. Everybody for this abroad, they struggle for your own money. Many people for abroad, not be say that money, no, they say, in the morning you go eat rice. In the afternoon you go eat chicken, drink everything. In the evening you go restaurants. If you say you want go restaurants every day, you feel go on. But because of say family problem, family matter, you not go fit. You not go fit do all those things where you supposed to do. If he want help, me not go say make your brother no help him. My brother then is there go help your brother. But make it come work put. Make it come work put. Give him one position where he say he go there comfortable for him. And now he like making you sort. Me no care for that one. I don't care. I have to tell him the truth. He should go and work. He should go and work. If you they work, some people they wait. If they want help you, they feel help you. But they go they wait. Make it be say you they help yourself. They say everyone help those who help themselves. If you not help yourself, how person want to help you? If you no hustle for yourself, how somebody want to hustle for you? Now me go can't go hustle for you. Then I'll can't give you, make you the eat inside house. It's impossible. It's impossible. Me no coffee go hustle, can't give you now. May you day inside house. They sleep 247. You go wake. The next thing, they do what you like, but me no fit. Go do what I like because I need to plan for the future of my children. You they plan for your future of your children. Me too, they plan for the future of my children. But you now, you want to make me come carry my health, can't give you. It's impossible. If you want hustle, come join me. We hustle together. I don't need to be giving you. I don't need to be giving you. But you yourself, you have to walk and fish on your own. Why you bring and on social media? Why you bring and on social media? They use and they insult another big man. Say you know help Doland. Is it possible? Why you bring and on social media? If you want to talk about family matter, make it talk inside house. I not come here, come insult. I not come here, come insult your brother. But it's just an advice for him. He should go and work with his own brother. He should go and work with his own brother. Manna will never fall from heaven for anybody. Good evening, Rosalie. Manna will never fall from heaven for anybody. If you want help, go and also hustle. It gets some people where be say, if you don't help yourself, you go to say they don't want to help you. But they just want you to help your own self. They just want you to get there on your own. And the moment you get there on your own, they will be there to support you. And the way where they will surprise you, you yourself, you go say, which one me just come the hustle here and there for? Me, when my brother is supposed to support me. Because your brother knows say, or your sister knows say, if they help you, he want to see results. Because me don't know people, I don't know person where be say, you go help her 20 times. That 20 times, there is no result. There is no result because that capital not be getter. Who they get free money, no they feel use and hold and way. Who they get free things, you know they feel use and hold and way. You know they feel use and hold and way. But when you work hard on it, you will never want to go back to where you are coming from. Because you know you hustle for your money. But if you don't hustle for that money, na lie. If you don't hustle for the money, now where you feel say, oh, I go. Because the money not be your own. You go to use the money anyhow. You don't see people where they go open store for 20 times, no result. 20 times you go open store for and you go give her money for market. 20 times no result to show. Even for this abroad, if you no go work hard, me they see people, and they see some people, then they receive social. If you they receive social, oh fine, you will they receive social. But me they see some people, iya de ya win ane hui bae, iya de ya win clean bae, niya na hasi hobo bonia, just to survive, and still get there. Oh, see, I'm very on here. You got Luigo. When I do a begging ya, where I get away, or my Venyana one Luigo, or my Venyana one. But where the secret in our way, where a boy to ya pokman restaurants are you go never bo. But we are aware is the same money now pay no way. I pay no money. It's the same money, but that person use your own sense. You can't total you over. Area money buyali veve webona. I don't see people where be say me myself I don't first sit one. You go there do your normal job, but can not say when you win it, don't win our but you go there. E cannot say where don't you go but you will go. Because don't you ever bonny on your hair eager get we are kando ya them in already home. Don't go bonny, only we are calo. Nuaya adeni no riri konwe. But we ruo wa we hewe ne mana doke avun fude. Woya de eh. Then we mana fio bo ma fio we. We have to say the truth. You never reach passion age. You passion yourself. Then who are you to blame? Who you want to blame? When you never reach passion age. You passion by yourself. Now somebody now you can't blame for your own problem. It's impossible. You can never blame somebody for your own problem. Omanu wewe no do rijo banuwe. Omasu unona gbakma. You help yourself. Let that person see that, okay, I'm helping myself. This person will help. And if they want to help, they help and surprise you that, okay, they know that, okay, when you don't suffer finish, they know say, because you don't really struggle hard, you don't show them, say, yes, anytime I get this thing, I go feel make use of her. Oh, boom, well, the truth, it therefore be truth now. But because if he say, now another person, they fit tell her. If he say, now only you want supposed to tell people the truth. You want help, but you know one go join, do for the work. You know one join, join the work. You don't want to belong to the team, but you want to get from the team. How is that possible? How is that possible? You don't see her. Now, who want help? Not be in hand the long pass. You make yourself available. I agree. Because many people, they were born in a bonjour here, me family. Ni bonjour here, me family. Baba na yise toy. Me bonjour here, me family. All in the name I want to survive my family. You go survive there 20 times. That 20 times, they cannot give you one single result. That 20 times, they can never give you one single result. They will give you, they will ask you for help. You will help them. You will help them. You will help them. Tomorrow they will still say, he didn't help. He didn't help. But you will help them. And at the end of the day, they cannot bring result out. I don't see person at the age of 45, she died, she not get children. She never born, all in the name she carry family matter for head. The next thing where that person died, they never even bury her. When family they ask, say, what can I bring the property come? Whether you not get money from account, even in your mama. In your mama they ask, you not get money from there for bank account? And you wouldn't know who are accused. And you wouldn't know who? The other guy where he died a few years ago, the guy has for Lagos. Those way they been all of them carry their bag and baggages. Now he has they go there for Lagos. Because he not get picking. He himself was hustling strongly for the family to spring up. But at the end of the day, those way they suffer for, they get children. Those way they suffer for, they get children, they don't marry. But he now, because he carry family matter for it, he no agree marry, he no agree born. I must survive my family. A lot of people for this abroad, they don't use and enter 6 feet. A lot of people for this abroad, run down a family in Yamamiebe. See today in Yamamiebe. I must help my family. In Yamamiebe. Egeni wiya ya gada igo ni ya webe. Iyana gwali ni ya survive or tiyani rowa. But at the end of the day, the same people will still ask you, what have you done? The same people will now still be the one to ask you, what have you done? And you will not ask. Nobody feels satisfied family matter. Believe me. Nobody feels, even if you give them heaven and earth, they will still tell you that I no do, you no do. They go see where another person, they go see where another person, they narrate say you no good. They go join say you no good. And meanwhile, you just help and finish. You just help and finish. He get people where be say once money just enter their hand, the next thing that they could use that money. Some go dey obsession with clothes, some go dey obsessed with material things, some go dey obsessed with different kind of things. All in the name they just want. But at the end of the day, that money they no go ever fit give account of it. What they don't use and do. But tomorrow they go say you never do. By the time when be say you don't find they give them 100,000. Meanwhile, you when they give 100,000, you don't born picking, you don't get your own children. You can't say you not get. You can't they give them 20,000, 10,000. Now that time you can't be bad person. Because you don't reduce them from 100,000 to 10,000 for them. By that time you not good again. You no good again. Because from 100,000 now you don't reduce them to 10,000. But they not go ever remember say you yourself you don't get your own children. You don't get your own responsibility. The time where you never born and the time where you don't born not be the same again. They not go ever think about those 2 times again. Say this time this person was giving me, he was giving me a lot, but because you no fit use am well. Because you no fit use am, you no fit make good use of am. Abi una never see for this abroad. Who dey house go get house. You wey dey abroad, you no get house. Abi error of area. You wey dey abroad, you no go get house. But who dey Africa where they build house, they wait for you, go get house. Mana ya mami. Then go build house, then go park, then go enter. But you where they bring the money, you no go ever fee build. Your own go see their foundation level, but their own, they don't roof and they don't park enter. They don't roof and they don't park enter. But you where get the money, your own see their foundation level. Really, if you want help, make yourself available. Go and work for it. Work hard for it. Go and work hard for it, because me now myself, I cannot be using leg to maybe to walk and be carrying a panel on my head. And you are living inside AC. You are expecting me now, after I don't carry that panel, or maybe after I don't do 8 hours job finish, then you can't expect me say, make I can't carry that money, can't give you, make you, it don't finish. Now, one person never born. Now that time you they think about say, another person, another family. No. Because those way you they think of, the family way you they think of, they're not they think of you. Now when you no go can't get, now that time you go can't know whether they really like you. Now they go be the first person where you go ask you, who did you help? Eh Bonnie or rien. Why who? Waiting you don't do. Waiting you don't do. I don't see person for this abroad. He spent money, spend. No knowing that one was just eating the money. It was just immediately that money just enter. Egani owe o manaro ya warigo no semena no ya muwere. Oni warigo o wari no sio eni. O sio eni wari no tio en o wama o tio anywhere iwa mama no mumere. Oni warigo ne. O wari Lagos ya delukmo no mafo. Yena do ahin moto. Ege no tio egi wi yen won ayo welegbe Morocco re. Ogi yo welegbe Morocco do lawebo. Yon iju no ya confess Matthew that yen ma ege re webo logo. Yen ma ege re webo logo. No la onere guigo ya no ga aviore. Iye wa misuse. Iye ga abuse go ni. Iye na ya woge negbiye. Xavier, nobody is asking you to stay. Nobody is asking you to stay. I just talk about somebody who is asking help from his own junior brother. Nobody asked you to stay. I talked about somebody who is asking for help from his own junior brother. And meanwhile, he's indoor. If you want help from him, make yourself to be available. Let him go to Benin. Let him go to Benin and make himself available. He should go to Benin. Let him go to Benin and make himself available. Go and work with your brother. If you can be a cameraman. Is Albert not doing his own business today? Is he not selling properties at home? Strogoviano. If you want to hustle, put your hand in different branches. If you want to hustle, put your hand in different branches. If the tomatoes time, I don't see people now, so we take grow. If tomatoes time come, you go quickly sell tomatoes. If corn time come, you go quickly sell corn. Whatever anything come for different season, you go quickly put money. If in go Benin and go join his brother, they follow his brother, they walk. If he go Benin, go join his brother, they follow his brother, they walk. I believe the highest position where you go come, his brother go feature and put. His brother go feature and put. You have to make yourself to be available for somebody to use and help you. If you are not making yourself to be available, you are not making yourself to be available, how will the person now use you? Where real life video 247 where ma don yo nu we gbekpo we no visual bere we ire o ya da we ju nu ya do bomb jo upon where who must so happy me. Ondokie company you ye we bonu. How is that going to be possible? He didn't ask any of us, but he was talking about another man inside. He was talking about a dead man inside. That was why I talked to him. He should leave the man alone. He should leave the man alone. They also should go and hustle like him. Everybody if you want help, go and hustle. Kafteo sama happy. Kafteo sama happy. Kafteo sama wana. Kafteo sama wana. Muwaga Aje will become a pilot at the age of 21. Is that not how somebody will struggle? Somebody becoming a pilot at the age of 21. He resigned at the age of 30 years and becomes something else. Is that not somebody working hard? Why must we now blame him for everything that has to do with the government? Must he be the one to feed the whole of Edo State? Must he be the one to render service in the whole of Edo State because you know a big man? Dangote is the richest man in Africa. Yage tenokere. But those people are not blaming him. Rather, they are facing their anger to the government. In a protest, if people from Kanu, I think Dangote is from Kanu, people from Kanu, if they want to protest, they are going to government house. They are not going to Dangote house. We should learn to appreciate our own because we have. We should learn to appreciate the ones we have. Don't blame them for things that the government is supposed to do for us. E get one when I won't like to read for Nana. E get one, make I read them. Una will see. You talk about people, but when they talk about you, you start turning it around. It's not good. You leave the man alone. Kafteosa Agbedo, a governor. A local government chairman. Was he a local government chairman? Was he a councillor? Has he held any political position in that Edo state? Or who are gave why is Obier Obo? Person never hold any political office. He never go any political office. Rather than them, even they come meet and say, come and help me, come and help me, come and help me. The man will still render his help to them. The man will still render his help to them. Okay, look now. Millionaire, Dr. Dre. Dr. Dre for America. Now millionaire. Dr. Dre brought a Snoop Dogg, Eminem, different musicians, 50 Cent, a whole lot of them, even Tupac. Now Dr. Dre sponsored them, bring them to become somebody. Dr. Dre's senior daughter now, she is sleeping in the vehicle. She is sleeping in the vehicle. That's not for American, I mean they tell you. The senior daughter is sleeping in the vehicle. She got 4 children. She's living in the vehicle. If papa not say because he get money, then he go just come they sponsor he picking. Because the child messed up her own life too. Una know the comment where when Oyibo they comment for her. They say she don't need to depend on her father wet. That she have to hustle hard on her own too. That the father struggle for his own self. That the daughter should struggle for herself too. Not because you are Dr. Dre's daughter that you have the right to now want to tap from his wet. Dr. Dre picking, America top musician. He picking the first child. They sleep for his car. But our fellow Americans, then they laugh and they disgrace the girl. She's a woman of 38 years old. But they are laughing at her. They are disgracing her. Telling her that the father worked hard for his own money. That she also should go and work hard. And not to depend on her father's wealth. That is the upbringing these Oyibo people they get. Not be say Dr. Dre no go get 1 million. Wait, be say he'll take go rent house for his pikin, put his grandchildren put. No, but maybe because he don't see say okay, she's trying to depend on me and she doesn't want to work on her own self because his papa na millionaire, na top musician. A lot of children they like that. But at the end of the day, if that papa die, leave those money for those children, they don't get the value. Then they abuse them, then they misuse them. Because they didn't work for it. That's why all these politicians too. Now so their children tomorrow, that is what their children too will become. Like the daughter of Dr. Dre now. She's sleeping in the car. She says she's working, she's receiving $15 per hour. She's receiving $15 per hour. And she go rent car of $2,300. Now inside that car now she dey sleep. That she's not calling on the father to come and help her. The papa not help. Foul. She go meet the papa lawyer. The papa lawyer say, for even bringing it out, say she be daughter of a Dr. Dre. Even making it to the public that the whole world don't carry on as news. For that reason, the papa withdraw hand. The papa withdraw hand. Because now the system where they take grow be that. Now the system where they take grow, but our African system is that once one rich man come from our family, we must make sure say we sink that rich man to our own level. Make all of us come be equal. But that time I will come know say the rich man they happy. Now then we go come know say the rich man they happy. If we never bring that rich man down from on top of the tree, make it come dead down like we not gonna know say the rich man good. We not gonna know say the rich man they help. We not gonna know say the rich man is still good make it their society. The owner of Amazon, I think, is number one now. I don't know. Because Bill Gates not there again for number one at all. In level don't go down since he and his wife divorced. But those people, they're not just they bring money out anyhow. Say they want use and take help. They're not just they bring money come and say because they're rich, they'll just they throw like that. No. Now when even America get problem, then they go carry their money, take help. Rich man, oh, he not do this, 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 oh. It can't be like say we they forbid rich people for our community, for our state, which is not good. We should allow them to be. Those way their office, way be said than their political office, we should talk to them, let them do the right thing. Not be because one rich man just come there our street now. Because that mentality, make we change them. Make we change them. Because if we fit change that mentality, I believe our society, our African society, will be great. That not be say, I get rich brother, my brother and a rich person. If that my brother no can help me, I no go ever survive. Make we change that mentality. Oh, you bought their mentality, no they work that way. I don't see papa where go borrow money for a pikin hand. He pikin give am paper, make his sign put. Say, see the date when you want bring the money. Look at the date I'm going to bring the money for you. The papa sign. Now, so it still be for children. I don't see children or you bought children. If they want go borrow money for their papa hand, then go sign. I asked one day, I said, why are they doing like this? He said because they need to have targets in their life. Not be say if he want dash and the money, he no go fit. But he no want. Make it come back every time, come they take. If he die, if he will at around, no problem. But he have to struggle on his own. He have to go and struggle on his own and make sure that he know how to make good use of money. People they way be say, then get obsession. Once money enter their hand, waiting they need or then go buy. Waiting they no need or then go buy. Everything or then go buy. But they don't need them. Some people get that sickness. Now sickness, some people get them. Then go just go shop, go spend money. Spending make them to be happy. But those things where they spend and they don't need them. People like that now, they go come meet you. Say, come borrow me money. Then you will come go borrow our money. How you want to see your money back? You know they. This word where we can't there, so now senior now can't they say me junior can't they help? How is that possible? Where are you there when your junior they also? Now person is picking now Dr. Dre say they help. For even calling his name out already. She dey sleep for inside car. She said she not fit pay the money of sleeping inside the car anymore because she not fit rent apartment. Her children there with her friend. But now rich man pikin. But when I begin to read the comment, no one support her for America. They say, yes, all her problems she must come put her for a papa body. You know they like that. Make we Africa, make we change our mentality so that make we defeat they get good or bringing children. If pikin not depend on the papa and the mama, that pikin go always succeed. He go always succeed. fingers are not equal. Everybody are not supposed to become a millionaire. But those who are millionaire, we should respect them because they struggle the same way we do too. If it be say he get the road where they pass, where they could succeed. If it be say he get the road where we too pass, where we not still succeed. We should leave them. A lot of people don't know the meaning of governance. They don't know the meaning of governance. Okay, that Dr. Dre picking now. Because the papa feel say now government responsibility should be. May she go meet social worker, make them give her money, put her for house. You know me say because he be a millionaire, make he come meet him. No. After all, he don't they pay the in they pay money for him mama. Ali money in they pay give him mama. So whatever anything where him mama use that money do, he not concern him. But the responsibility of that woman na government. If papa not come out. Until we for Africa learn how to appreciate those who succeed in their own way, and then we should leave them alone. If they help, let them help. If they not help, leave them alone. They have their own children too to cater for. If you want to be rich or you are rich, you not go just build company for one place. Then you will just wait only that one place. No. If you get opportunity to take build company for Lagos too, you go see run go there, go build. If you get opportunity to take build company for Kano, you go run go there, go build. It not mean say because say you come from Edo State, or your company must be in Edo State. You know they work like that. You know they work like that. If everything can crumble, it crumble down, then how you want to start? But if you go for Lagos, Lagos feel they survive the one way they do. The one way they can feel they survive the one way they do. Now so all these people, even all this, now somebody get hardy. Now one person get hardy. Now one person get Lido. But today they expand all over the world. This KFC, Kentucky Chicken, now one person get her. The man lose his job, his wife run leave her. Now one person start her. Now $50 day in hand where he be say he begin go buy chicken, begin fry her. For him to use that more $50 where he remain, take go drink or do things. He use and go buy missa. Now so he take start a business where he be say today everything expand all over the world. Every businessman want to strive. Every businessman want to invest in different places. They can never put their basket or their egg in one basket. It's impossible. It's impossible. A governor already, a company already, Lagos Oje. His own company is in Lagos. And he's in the office there. Once the Namanaka we governor when we company where are there do. Now government, they bring investors they come. Now they create land where they will take build company put. Now government duty, not be individual. Any individual where fit still do one, we go praise that individual. It is not their task. Hey, big man now, big man now, big man now. So it can't be like say maybe we all come they feel like we don't want big one for our state. We want them. And we want them to be free also. We want them to be free. It's not a must, so long they are not in political arena. A big man amata ukbona, a big man amawana, a big man amawana, a big man amawana, a big man amawana. Then well, when a big man, when I your piarie go, no way I go deze. Oh, no way I go no wekere, oh, no way I jale gota no region we. We a big man other way. But when ne big man, we mau. Before you point your finger to another person, also point to yourself. If the big man didn't tie the road, you as a poor man, did you dig the gutter? You as a poor man, you not fit clear the road of your street. Then you they wait make big man come tire for you. We need to say the truth. If we want big man to do, you also do the small man own. Every Oyibo way be say where both America or Asia or everywhere for the whole world. They themselves, they struggle hard to get to where they are. So they go carry loan, they build their company. They invest for themselves. If their company don't they grow, then bank fiscal give them big loan, then go invest them for another place. Now so that they expand. A big man out bedo, a big man out bedo, a big man out bedo. Oh yeah, na me eti ma wi ave ne big man bedo. My wa big man bedo. We should leave them and let them breathe. When any go no why buy a beer parlor eno. A beer parlor. A beer parlor pepper soup joint. The next thing wa gwali moto no ransen wa de. Wa gwali moto no ganse no wa de no wa ran yin lele wo kian. Akwa ire gba we big mama don look boji. A big mama don look boji. But when I'm me we big man we mono ogba ore. A big man a company or normal. See, once you don't succeed for life, once you don't become somebody for life, you not go ever want may you go down again. Because you all don't already know where you they come. You don't already know where you they come. That is the mentality of big men. Go ask Dangote. I think Dangote was number 50 something when they rated them or so. I don't know which number it was. But this time around, go look, it's 117 for the richest man in the whole world. Before it was 60 something, but now it's 117. Do you think he's happy? He's not happy. Because he himself don't know, say, he don't lose something. We shouldn't be jealous of them. If you now, you there abroad now, you can't hustle your way, you can't make them. Then one person will come, they jealous you. Hey, you not do this, you not do this, you not do this. Meanwhile, they don't know the kind of slap where you don't receive for your 8 hours job. They don't know how you take the run for stand. They stand up, they swallow bread for break time. They run, they go back, go work. Every successful man have a story, a bitter story to tell. Every successful man have a bitter story to tell. Those who don't have bitter story to tell, now those will be say their papa or their mama don't work hard for. Then they are not living lavish life. Like Dangote children now. Those children now, they don't get a painful life where they want to suffer. Because their papa don't already take the bullet for them. Their papa don't already suffer for them. So I will leave them to enjoy it so long they are not politicians. Now politicians, they carry money because that money now for the whole state. The money now for the whole state. So they need to use that money for the whole state. They need to use the money for the whole state. Where Sugbo Aenudo Azugu will go? Where you supposed to talk? Who you supposed to talk to? You are saying you don't want to talk to that person, but you are talking to the big man who struggle his own way to the top. How is that possible? You are scared of the government who is in charge of the whole state money. When I don't see that kind of thing, just be like a Buhari now and the richest man for Africa, Dangote. Now Buhari, they in charge of the whole of Nigeria money. Then if something can happen now, you can't say Dangote. Dangote. This one where he did for Africa and Nigeria now. He concern Dangote. Is Dangote not also a citizen like you and me? Sometimes when we see truth, we have to say the truth. We shouldn't burn it because we hate that person. Or we dislike that person. Who they in charge of the money of the whole nation? You leave her. You say you not go talk to her. But you can't go they talk to another person. When you see they also like you. When you no one go back to the level when you for come. You don't see who come out. Who like that for concrete. Then when they can't give her mat. You can't say take the mat. Me I just like that for concrete. You know. So the moment they rise, nobody want to come down. Nobody want to go down. But rather, we should just work with them. We Africans, we believe in somebody have to give us material things before we go know say he help us. But the Oyibo, they don't believe her like that. They believe that they can never give you money. Oyibo no go ever dash you money. Rather, they go help you for work. Oyibo no go ever dash you money. Lie. Oyibo no they ever say can't take money. He no dey. Rather than go tell you say I get work. I'll go fit talk to this person making employ you. That is what they normally say. Then go fit write letter of appointment to give you. But many don't want to work. So who will you now blame for your poverty? When you don't want to work, who are you now going to blame for your own poverty? Who are you going to blame for your poverty? Who are you going to blame for your calamity? You don't want to work, but you want money. How will you get money when you are not working? Even all these pastors, like that day now where we still talk about this, our idol pastor now. They are working for their money because it's not easy to hold microphone 247. Convention, this today, the other one tomorrow, the other one next tomorrow, the other one this tomorrow. Then they use their brain till they bring different things come out. When they go tell no, say people go come church. A hustling granting ya wa making. Today they go get youth week. The other week they go get men week. The other one they go get women. Oh, the other one they go get this one. Oh, a hustling granting ya wa be no. Now, but now person, now government sit down for the whole state money. If we all are crying, we should also cry to the government. If individuals want to help, they should help at their free will. We shouldn't force them. Don't criticize them. Don't go and be giving them bad name. When you know they are not the one in charge, they also their way through. Many of us wey did this abroad today because we not fit bear the pain, the suffer. Now all of us still run come out. Now look, the truth has to be said. Make you go meet your brother. I believe the brother have space for her. I believe your own brother gets space for her to work. And the brother is a nice man. He's a nice man. You don't just need to depend on people that people have to lift you up before you can lift yourself up. Must everybody lift you up before you lift yourself up? You are waiting for manna to fall from heaven. The big men, they don't wait for manna to fall from heaven. Edo we no jaoji bate baba. O voyage yimi. O we oyaje yimi. We should all learn how to say the truth because sometimes we Africans, we don't appreciate. Who first they do for you before you not can do for you again? You go start to they cry, they come out, you not do, but you forgot when that person was doing. When that person was doing, you forgot. But you not go put yourself for that person now say, okay, the time where this person they do, he not get pikin, he never marry, he never born. But now that person don't come born, he don't get responsibility. Maybe he don't come marry. If it be say, when that person was single, maybe if na woman, maybe when that person was single, she they do runs, they get money, or different trick, then they give her the money. Okay, but immediately one person don't come settle down. He can't marry, he can't they born, the husband can't say no work, they look after children. How you now tell me now say, that person one can't they see 100 euro way, or can't they give you again every month? But if the person not can't they do them again, you can't they say a bad person. If you insult who don't first do for you, that cost no go reach your body. You not go ever reach your body. Because the situation of that person don't change. The person don't get family to cater for. If na man, he don't marry, he don't get wife, he need to also face his own family too. Let's call a spade a spade. There is no food for lazy man. There is no food for lazy man. I first talk on that day. I say because Buhari don't look the Nigeria youth of now. Say that's why he not just talk say lazy youth. Because he don't check around. He don't check say nobody want to work. Everybody just want fast lay. We dey cry erosion. Can people not go there now and say they want to dig the ground or dig the gutter in Edo State? But they are waiting for the big man to come and do it. Why can't you just walk and dig the gutter, and when the big man is passing by, the big man will call you and say, take for your hard work? Will they do? No. Nobody want to do. Everybody want fast lay. Everybody want fast lay. You not do. You will not get car where they use like the waka. You they wait for who get car make on do. Oh, where are you working? Oh, borrow ko pass wa. Ofo. Ou kno wa rien von na morodo. Oh, pass wa. That is the mentality we all have. We all don't want to work together. We all don't want to change things together, but we are waiting for some few individuals who have climbed to the top for them to change it for us. It's impossible. It's impossible. So long that individual don't get him money, he will not be looking for a better place for himself and his own family. That person will not be looking for a better place for his own self and his own family. It's like that. It's like that. So I will end my video here, my people. I've told him the bitter truth. I've told him the bitter truth. If you want help, let him go to Benin. Let him go to Benin. I've told him the bitter truth. Go and work. Work for your money. When I on my bed, when I on my bed, go and build your pension down. Well, then when you have the banyan also. Everybody is on a hustling grant. Now do well, my people. I greet you all. Thank you all so much. Have a blessed night. We shouldn't be jealous or envious of anybody. Because we don't know their struggle. We don't know what they've been through. We don't know their pain. We don't know their sorrow. They also walk through the same level like we. Ciao. God bless you all, my people. Now the truth, now me they talk for something. I can never deny him for his brother not to help. The brother can help him, but not be say capital. Can't say no. Let him walk and know the difference. That okay. I'm when you go. Don't worry, amigo. I have the amigo. I have the amigo. Ciao, my people. Una good night.